learn song and motion.
Lola, Honey, 23. Nice to meet you, everyone. Today we will learn the song title is Hejuru mutwe. Let's listen to the song. Go!
Hejuru kulukuta imbele indata ta 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 ta.
Are you excited to learn a new song? So, next we will learn the lyrics. When I sing one stanza, repeat after me. Okay?
Hejuru ku mutwe ta, musubiremo. Hejuru ku mutwe ta, hafi y'amaso ta, musubiremo. Hafi y'amaso ta, hejuru ku rutugu ta, musubiremo. Hejuru ku rutugu ta, imbere y'indata, musubiremo. Imbere y'indata ta 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 ta, musubiremo. Ta 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 ta.
Wow, good! Then, before we start, I will show you the motion movement.
Hejuru kulukuta imbele indata ta 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 ta.
Hello guys! Did you see the motion well? I'm Tatim. Today, I'm gonna teach the same motion. Let's start! First, Hejuru mutwe. Start with running movement and then touch on your head while saying ta. Then, hafiyama sota. Continue running and then while saying ta, do the motion and press your finger around your eye like this. Next, Hejuru kulutukuta. Start with running like the last time and then while saying ta, touch on your shoulder.
Hejuru kulukuta.
Then, imbele indata. Continue running while saying ta, touch on your stomach.
Imbele indata.
Last, ta 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 ta. Start with write your hand left side and also this side, and then catch your hand on left side 2 times, and also right side 2 times, and middle 1 time, and again at middle 2 times.
Ta 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 ta.
Wow, well done! After learning the song, how do you feel? It's not difficult, right? Next, we will do the motion with Teacher Angel. Let's call her together. Teacher Angel! Amazonas.